Lituko lia Ijumaa, karibu sana na ukwanira ndonsia sori mwencho muligereria Ogetembe TV. Karibu asenchara ayavene tunyareko yasanga aliatekire chinsemo au na kubwa mono kuroiga sorogongo rwagusi na tukurigereria serikali nene mwangana uchumi mwangana siasa na boigo ne chinsinyo chionsi chinkoro kwa Matilda boigwa sangana inche chinsemo cha Facebook na boigo YouTube eyo masemo buna Getembe TV na nekirongo chaka korwa ase nyumba y'uburai ya ikulu enene gose State House nikobono emambi ya rero murai wense Muski William Ruto anyara kolieta na boigo kolia njera lichiko ligokeya ebango emanyikanete buna value added tax gose VAT ane mono eyo yanyarete wonchorerirwa ase ensemo eri ya maguta ya petrol na boigo nigobono murai wense chinga kecho anyara kolitabirana ikiagira kubwatikana ne bunge litukoregoro nikubanyarete gwikaransa na kurigire buna nigo abakenya barachie kole mara kubwatikana no gokeiwa ase birengo ebike kwebangeyo eyo bono yerirete bakabwati guchika ku murai wense ko yekeya koro ekerengo ge 15 nemo igoro yemia goika isano na iseto igoro yemia na boigo nikubatebire kubwatikana ane katiba nigobono banyari kurigereria yonsi kurinde babikire okugania na boigo okupuria komokenya bosio asogokeya ligorerio.
The Value Added Tax Amendment Bill 2026. This bill, Your Excellency, was introduced in the House by the Deputy Leader of the Majority Party, the distinguished member for Kilifi North, on behalf of the Majority Party. Your Excellency, this bill follows a dispatch that came from the National Treasury dated 10th of April, which advised that His Excellency the President request the National Assembly to amend Cap 476 of the VAT Act so as to cushion Kenyans from the possible effect of the rising in petroleum products, Your Excellency, rising costs of petroleum and petroleum products, Your Excellency. The bill, Your Excellency, was introduced the 17th, Your Excellency. The bill was introduced and passed in a record time yesterday on 16th, Your Excellency, in all stages, first reading, second reading, committee of the whole House, and third reading. In a nutshell, Your Excellency, this bill amends Section 6 of the VAT Act. Currently, Section 6 of the VAT Act permits the Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury to vary VAT by a percentage not higher than 25%. That's the standard VAT, which is currently set by law at 16%. But conscious that the 25% may not be able to cushion Kenyans appropriately, the National Assembly responded to your request.
Na aigati ya wamenye kura ase kaunti ya Nyamira anene muno abare abonchoreria ase sekta eri ya bodaboda na boigo matatu na bonchoreria bande ni kubanyare usanga ebirengereri byabo kubwatikana ne ligori lyobugima sama tukayega kubwa muno ekirobono ligori lya maguta yechigali yechipigipigi bono lyanyare komenta ne kirobwa kubolia na umurai wense na bonete gwesonani ilikane kibuna abakenya tibaranyara kunyareka muno astensemo hiyo
yaki promise cho chiarwete nchiyo shiroji ndo ngainereri nono mutinyu sta tutaita kurubona bako mutinyu sta emetinyi yo mabuoka kero mambine twaja kiro mutinyu gatani gatena ebindo ngoja bido cha ko mutinyu yo iko toganyete ebindo byose byakwana tubira bimbiyo bigukere gendo gaki eto kora kwana watana nimeongeza hii ayana yugo chirusi abantu baito toko batebi serikali ndo endete konyerigereri na bali mo support omorengo rubwe byara bibere ntora abakana embi ya muri mugo kamengombe no ya arwarire lakini ensemo ya mabutero insetera ababurunge magenderando bono ntetengo boli para bono yasunduligwa kurubacho keroka yakole metienyisita yasunduligwa kurukeroka kuchikiamo kama ina ere gasto koro to gwa covid
na inje no muntu yo monde para mbwate gari ane breakdown yochikungusa chigari otuko narangirwe gari kabwatera netia abantu nasinye tukogenda kera maguta ari iguru abantu bechi bibi baba konye tabagacha kobogorie gari yi bakarusia abantu imenare kunyara kona ne breakdown
in fact ni gotokumetie serikali ese gotoira troje obogima bwa kongire ma igo tosinyire bono eserikali na kierengerete in fact ya ebiasara ni gotogo kora iga keroka imwanja korigire diga gothire iga chito korumami ni gotogo pageti chigari amaguta bono gakiara aba igoro eserikali ne mogotomentera amaguta na kitora asomino ena abana
bono akomo ni mwananchi ngorengeri ngondale konyorobo kongubonge kiara bono ama after the moment ya mentire eminute kere bita byons pin commenta bir ande muna bigo chikomenta igo bono monto komo ni mwananchi uchakire gusumbuka chana chakira kotwara obwoba ikiagera amaisha chakira gokonga bono efe abune yakwenda kuruga mpaka kijauri bamentete mbakemi kurwa se alenge 50 bosunga se yange mi amentire double ya chire 200 bono bali to kore biashara twanyororo robo konguto kunyara gusukana biashara bibintu bitu byagundire nyomba
intuna abantu ba one time two time ntonyitageti engenjere bakonya banga ngaino mo president na two time itiga ba mongainore igo bako mongaina bari bayigote nakini mbarengerete mwana inchi na abantu abo bareigo chikura nchichike muje motochere na ritora abo ne mu atokonye den two time mu atokonye to sine chibesa mu atokonya na into to chimuru torre kane buya
ye kunyarikana tianye ni 140 nabo bostari babantu bamimbi ka kunyera ni 140 amangana ndi ntukwana amangana one time two time ntunto maiti bintebyo one time gose two time ntuterigo tokonya kende yonse bi tiga toikenga kitwa kechikura mwa gotete ko rusio mondo ko beko mondoro mu yego iko akekura mwa gotete ko rusio mondoro mu beko iko akekura
na ubutiniri wikiama ya ODM imense ya Kenya ni kubono bwanyale kubwatuka guchiko ko ya anemono senyomo yabo ya gisiasa ne kiama kiri kia UDA bagusanga kero bono bwanyale kubwatuka uguchika okoya na boigo inchira barachi kubwatia na babwatani babo ni kubono weterase omoliki obo somonogeli obo oyo manyekanete buna Catherine Omanyo yoro mobunge kurwa ase county ya Busia bono ODM yanyale ko erabuna nigo erachekwenekia abakuranira ebirogo au ase birengo byonsi banyale wesokia sobunge na kubirwanira chinsemo chiria bakorwa na boigo nigo batebire tibali guchikobeka emibaka hagati ya UDA na boigo ODM ikiagera ODM ne bwate abarwanereri ase birogo ase abarwanereri bebirogo au ase chinsemo au higobono tibali gochio gotangwa ni kiama kirikia UDA
that we embark on a vigorous and rigorous exercise to popularize and strengthen our party in all parts of the country and particularly in our strongholds. We have no choice but to make bigger our identity, which remains in the hearts of majority of Kenyans. In this spirit, we urge our party members in the areas where grassroots elections have not been concluded to exhaust the relevant internal disputes resolution mechanisms to reach an agreeable conclusion that will see the exercise completed so as we can all get on the journey of building our party as we head into election year. Two, as part of the activation program, we shall be embarking on countrywide tours for a series of youth conventions aimed at rejuvenating, revamping and re-energizing the party. These activities will be held in 25 counties and will begin with Nairobi as follows. Monday, 20th April 2026, a youth conference in Nairobi County. Sunday, 26th April 2026, Mombasa. On Friday, 1st May to Sunday, 3rd May 2026.
Oigo chinga kiecho ni kubono ikiama ikio kia ODM banyare kubora buna tibaranyara kwegwa maskani ali abwenerete akurase egati yabara ime ikiama kia UDA ne chinga kiecho ni kubatebire kusibanyare korokia okogechigwa ne chinkwa na chintindi echitia abere chigwato kwa na bara yabanene ase ikiama kia UDA.
Our relationship with our broad-based partners, UDA, the Central Committee noted with concern. UDA Party. The Central Committee noted with concern the goings on and the unwarranted public utterances by some senior officials of the UDA party aimed at causing anxiety and disquiet among our members. As a party that believes in its principles, ideology, and the foundation on which it was founded, we demand respect from the UDA party. 5, Kenyans are concerned about the increase in fuel prices. We know this is a global problem. While noting the government's efforts to mitigate the situation, we continue to push it to do more to cushion Kenyans from effects.
Kutigana nayo kurasi wizara y'obuchinu mawaziri wa wizara yo Muske Eden Dole nigabwatukiro guchika guchasinya gitari enene ya Moi Teaching and Referral enyare kwene kibuna obuteneneri bwabo bwanyare gukora chinkwana n'abakoriye mirimo bobuchinu ase nyagitari eyo nigo atebirungwetera chinkwana icho bakoriye mirimo abo baranyare gwisaneka nabigo gukora obukwenana obukoreri burubya guchiase abamenye anomuno abakenya bagutumika enyagitari eyo chingeke echo nigakwanire umurobero o universal health coverage oyibono anyarire ko arabuna nigo eserikali erigete kwene kibuna umurobero yonyare gukora emirimo asinchira engikirano kigima.
Lakini I want to talk to juzi tulikuwa na mgomo katika Kenyatta Hospital, and I want to thank the board and the management of Kenyatta Hospital for sitting with our healthcare workers and resolving the issue. I have also given firm instructions to the leadership, the board and the CEO and the management of MTRH that they must resolve all the outstanding issues with the healthcare workers in that our level 6 referral hospital. One of the most important pillars of universal health coverage and its success is human resource. Wafanyakazi wetu wahudumu wa afya. Na ndio nilipokuwa waziri, maneno ya strike katika Afya House nimemaliza, internship, kila kitu. Na mimi pia nauliza county governments, the way mheshimiwa gavana amesema over 700 healthcare workers will be transited to permanent and pensionable. We want to also urge all our governors to make sure that
na kurigiria asense mweli yechisemi niko bono amameranio kusemiga ya matera na bwigo chigosori chokwegia bono agendete gukorekana ase enyumba ya ikulu enene ase bono aparwaniriria korwa chiskuru oime yense ya Kenya bono balipanyara gosoka koba ababui bono bagendete gusanga ase Chisembo usasa magacho a State House asumurai wense umurugyoye na boigo gati ya barai wa waziri na boigo abarai vande bagendete ase igikareke usase omoyigoyo nechinga kecho nikobono oborokiwa banyare korokia ebiegwa bireba bwate na boigo gwetia ujumbe bwate guchase abakenya asinchira ekobwatia.
Na sometimes na kuanga careless, huwa napoteza vitu. Kama jana nilikuwa nimepoteza fahamu. Na nikiangalia huku State House, naona tu kuna security, kila mahali ni polisi. Sasa mimi nimekuja na hiki kichungi State House. Ndio hiki kichungi, si kila mtu ameona? Hiki ni kichungi na nimeacha hapo. Ndio hili wanichungia maisha yangu. Shule inaitwa Chuka High School, Wycliffe.
Mpatie igwe.
ayo naenda mwangi no yenyole asinchira ya bene gikuraga chinsa 10 cha rero morogoba kurinde tobose usuka kendera kurigereria Igetembe TV yarigane kimaso murobelyogo cha sembeo vibes on vibes inshankuru kwa Matilda Voigo kukunyole nga kogoswa chinsemo cha YouTube kendera usubscribe cha YouTube channel ya Igetembe TV na wigo tubwati chinsemo cha Facebook Igetembe TV na chinsemo cha TikTok tonyora Igetembe TV and FM.
Omurayi omukuru bw'ensi ya Burkina Faso Thomas Sankara niga tebete nige